My daughter has always been good at art and craft, but Leena ma'am, your way of teaching, your attention to details and technicality has brought out the best in her. And the most amazing part is the lovely stories you tell that give them wonderful life lessons. Thank you so much.
Hi, I'm Avni's mother, and I'm really very happy to say this that after joining RGU classes, Avni is doing really very well and good new drawings. So I thank you, Leena ma'am, for giving this platform during lockdown where keeping the child or children occupied is very important for the parents. So thank you so much. You teach with lots and lots of patience, efforts, clarity, new techniques. I request or suggest that all the other parents who are listening should once try out these classes. You wouldn't wish to discontinue with them. Thank you, Leena ma'am.
Hi mom, I would like to thank you Aishi ma'am for giving such a wonderful and excellent drawing classes for my daughter. My daughter Tanvi, she is 5 years old. She attending your classes for the past of 2 months. Within this short period, I felt a drastic improvement in her drawing skill. Ma'am, you always follow very simple technique that helped her a lot. Once again, thank you so much. The other thing I would like to share is that your way of telling some stories while drawing is helpful for developing an imagination in kids. Thank you.
Hello, I am Vibhor, brother of Vitali Minocha. I have known Leena ma'am since my childhood. She used to be my art teacher in UKG, in Agra. And now in Punjab, we are getting this facility, and my sister is getting so good in art under her. I feel so blessed and I feel so good. Vitali has also been promoted to senior batch from junior batch when Leena ma'am saw potential in her, and I really appreciate it. And I feel that my sister is in great hands. Thank you, Leena ma'am.
Yeah, hi, it's a very pleasing experience watching my little girl improving her craft, as I firmly believe that art has no boundaries and is all about putting your imaginations and thoughts on the canvas. Leena ma'am classes are very interesting, innovative, as well as she also ensures learning is fun and is understood by all. I recommend such sessions for every student, every kid to allow them express their thoughts on their canvases. Thank you.
Knew that his drawing was not good. He's very brilliant child, but he was weak in his drawing field. I found it on FB. Once I found it on FB, I got this invitation from Vandil ma'am, and we enrolled him for the free sessions. And within 2 sessions, we saw that there is a great change in his drawing. Means he learned many things from those free sessions, because the teacher is teaching with letters and the numbers, which is very easy technique. And now we can see that his graph of drawing is increasing day by day, and his drawing is very beautiful. He's drawing everything with a very beautiful manner, and his coloring also improved.
The major difference was that there's so much variety in Leena ma'am's drawings. In other classes, they generally stick to one method. Either first they teach animals and birds, and then they teach pencil shading, and then they teach landscapes. But here there's a variety, so kids are always guessing what's going to be next, so that keeps them really interested in the classes. And also, like all drawing teachers are very talented, they can draw well. But here I'm seeing that the students are able to draw almost 70 to 80% like their teacher, which proves that the teacher is not only great at drawing, but she's also very good at teaching that skill to the children. So that is amazing. And finally, I have to talk about her stories, and that every story has a moral value. That 1 hour doesn't, the kids don't even know how that 1 hour goes. because they are doing the drawing, but at the same time they are listening to such wonderful stories. So my daughter really likes these classes.
So thanks a lot, ma'am. Thank you.
Love you, ma'am. I hope to learn more drawings from you.
Frankly speaking, when Barsana said me I wanted to join online classes of Leena ma'am, so I was very doubtful. अरे यार online बच्चे क्या सीख पाएंगे and कैसे सीख पाएंगे? But in the first class itself, she proved me wrong, and उसका work was very good. And not only her work, but all the kids were doing well. And the credit goes to Leena ma'am. Her teaching style is so simple, and she teaches step by step with help of numbers and alphabets. So basically, she is not only a very good artist but also a very good teacher. And for other classes, I have to say, Barsana, बैठो class का time हो गया, चलो class on करो. And for Leena ma'am class, she is there on time, 6:15 sharp, her laptop open. So she is really enjoying her classes. And whenever any guest come or at home या फिर कोई family member आता है, तो she is showing her work. देखो मैंने ये बनाया. And the guest also don't believe, अरे तुमने बनाया, how can you make it? So in the past 3 months, what I have experienced is that not only her drawing abilities have improved, but also her confidence has increased. And lastly, I would like to add that Leena ma'am is not only a very good teacher, but also a very good person. And she is always motivating and encouraging her students. Thank you, ma'am.
Hi friends, this is Rashi Jalan, mother of Thriti Jalan. My daughter has joined Leena ma'am classes, and really I am very happy with this, because before joining Leena ma'am's drawing classes, she also joined 2 or 3 more classes of drawing. But after 15 days of month 1, she already told me that Mama, I don't want to continue it. But after 1 month completion of Leena ma'am's classes, when I asked her, Thriti, you want to continue ma'am's classes? Then she said, definitely Mama, I will continue. And really I am very happy with it, that she has grown up her interest in drawing and coloring. Really, I will recommend you that please join Leena ma'am's drawing classes, and you will feel the difference in your child. Thank you.
Namaste ma'am. We are really thankful to you to develop an art skills in our juniors in very simplest way. You used very innovative, different and wonderful ideas for drawing. And your communications with student is really very effective in online classes. We want to share that the techniques and the methodology used by you to teach English, to teach drawing is really very different and easy compared to our past experience. And the best part of your class is your storytelling, which create awareness about our culture, about our tradition and some moral values. So we truly thankful to you for nurturing and amazing art skills in mind of our juniors. Thank you so much, ma'am.
I really love the classes and the way ma'am teaches the students with numbers and letters and with beautiful stories. Even I sit with my daughter to see how ma'am teaches them, and even even I have learned many things from her, that how very with patience she teaches all the students. Very nice, and thank you ma'am for the wonderful classes.
Hello everyone, this is my son Samatwa, who has joined Leena ma'am's art classes. First of all, I would like to thank Leena ma'am for the wonderful work she is doing. Thank you so much ma'am for this wonderful opportunity where my child is learning great things, new things and these are going to help him into his day-to-day life. I then knew that my son has so much of caliber. The paintings, the drawings which you are making the children draw are really age appropriate and are also having such wonderful stories. The stories give a connect to the artwork they are doing, and I think that's a very interesting and a creative way of making them more inclined towards art. Thank you so much, ma'am, for this work. And now my son Samatva is going to present his artwork to you all. Thank you.
Hi, we are parents of Arya Joshi.
Hello.
Since lockdown, she started online drawing classes. Within 7 months, she developed too much in drawing. Now, day by day, his creativity is also increasing. So I am very, very happy for her development.
Thank you, Leena ma'am. Very nice. And my daughter is very happy with you. And in house also, she become a Leena Bandil and take online classes. We are very happy. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
हाँ, जय श्री कृष्णा। मैं सावी की दादी हेमा कड़ल बोल रही हूँ। सावी ने जब से आपका क्लास ज्वाइन किया है और सावी को बहुत ज़्यादा इंटरेस्ट आने लगा है। सावी बहुत अच्छा ड्राइंग सीख गई है। आप जो क्लास में पढ़ाते पढ़ाते बातें करते हैं वो सावी को बहुत अच्छी लगती है। ऐसे ही आप पढ़ाते रहो ताकि सावी खूब अच्छा ड्राइंग सीख ले। थैंक यू लीना मैम।
Good morning. Hi, this is Dr. Sarthak Padel. I am Savi's father. Savi has very much interest in painting and sketching. She used to she do lots of painting, but after joining your course and your workshop, she has grown more interest towards painting and the sketching. The way you teach, I'm really impressed, and I would love to join your workshop one day, because in my childhood I used to do lots of sketching and painting and lots of stuff. So maybe the genes has came to Savi also. Savi. Yeah.
Hi, this is Dr. Veena. I'm gynecologist by profession. As we have our busy scheduled, and I just come across your ad through the Instagram, and so I just thought ki we should do the joining this for this class for my daughter Savi, as she has lots of spare time in afternoon her. So I just decided to join this 1 month online class of your drawing. But after joining this class, I seems that the Savi get more interest in drawing and painting, and she also interested in your storytelling while drawing, because she developed her own way of drawing. We didn't help her in anything, but we just saw and amazed that how Savi is doing all the things very neatly, cleanly, and she regularly she wait for the every alternate day for the 2 o'clock, and she collect all her stuff for the drawing, painting, and if she didn't get any one thing that you told, and she literally cried that I don't have this, mama, I want this, how I do, ma'am will scold me, and more than happy. After joining your class for Savi, and you know that I also joined your class because after seeing my daughter's drawing, I also think that I can do also drawing, because I never hold a single pencil for literally for 35 years of my age, and I just started drawing and painting from you.
And she has done such beautiful work. She is doing. Even Veena is doing such a beautiful painting.
Yeah, I will also
very
give my
much.
feedback for you, ma'am, and I also want to participate in that competition. So thank you so
very
much
much.
for your class. We are looking forward to join for extend this class for next 6 months for her, because she is now used to for your class, and she wanted that. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very
Bye-bye.
much.
Hi, this is Sandeep Bandyopadhyay, father of Ishani Bandyopadhyay, and we would like to thank to Leena Madam for her wonderful way of teaching painting classes. Her way of teaching is a very innovative and a very comfortable, easy way. My daughter previously were not able to do her projects, school projects. Now after attending her classes for last 3 weeks, she is able to do her project work by herself, and we are really grateful to Leena Madam. The way she is teaching, it is wonderful and excellent. Thank you, Madam, for all your support.
Hi, my name is Shravani. I would like to share my views about Leena Ma'am classes. Leena Ma'am classes were very interesting. My son is thoroughly enjoying the classes, and the way Ma'am is teaching the techniques using points, numbers and alphabets, it is a very interesting way for the kids. And my son is eagerly waiting what is the next drawing and what he is going to learn the new technique. Initially when I took a decision for online classes, I thought like whether my son will fit for these classes or not. Of course, my son is witness for that. Whether online or offline, interest is more important and the choice is more important. I took a right choice. Thank you so much, Leena Ma'am. Kids are very much motivated with Leena Ma'am's words like I can do it and thumbs up with smile. This is very motivation for my child especially. Thank you, ma'am.
We have been noticing so much change in my daughter that she loves to draw basically from the beginning, but once she started learning from ma'am, she has developed a lot. And the way ma'am teaches the class is really awesome, and she keeps encouraging kids with many motivational things like never give up and you can do it, all that stuff. And she keeps telling the stories while taking the class, and the method is really excellent. And I would look forward for my daughter for many more years to continue with her. And this, now in the COVID time, this is the best class for kids so that they can learn so much, and they are learning new techniques in the class, and I'm really happy about it. I would love to continue with this class for many more years. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.
Namaste Leena ma'am. My name is Deepthi Apaya, and along with both my children, I have also been a student, and it's been a wonderful experience, especially during pandemic coronavirus lockdown. Your classes have been a big hope, not just for the children, even for me. It's very interesting, and the way you teach, it's wonderful. Both my children just love it.
Hello everyone, my name is Veenu Arora, mother of Saisha, and I just wanted to share my experience with you today that my daughter, she has just joined Leena Bandil's ma'am art classes just 2 months ago, and I have found a drastic change in her now. She's become so creative. Thank you so much Leena ma'am for your creative work and for your activities, whatever you are taking up in the class. Really hats off to you that you involve so many kids at a time, and your work is so amazing, so meaningful, that I really had a great experience in your classes. And my daughter, really, I'm telling you the truth, she eagerly wait for your class, that today is Leena Bandil's ma'am's class, and when I want to learn new artwork, it is really commendable. And my daughter is showing lot of interest in art now. I'm really happy to have you as a companion of my daughter, and I really appreciate your work. It's really a great learning for kids, and especially the stories that you share with them during while doing artwork. It's really commendable, and I surely my daughter has become super crazy for you, and I surely will tell other parents also to join Leena Bandal's ma'am class. She is the best teacher I have ever seen, and she's teaching worth art and craft through online classes. Thank you so much, ma'am. All the best to you. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Dr. Veena Kadel. I'm gynecologist practicing in Surat, Gujarat. I've joined your class by inspiring my daughter class because initially I joined my daughter in your class, and after seeing her painting, sketching and her interest and also your way of teaching, I also get inspired, and I also think that I should also join your class. And after joining the class, the first painting of yours that I draw in my 35 years of life is this first painting of Madhubani art. And after completing this painting, I get so much of appreciation from my family, from my friends, that wow, Veena, how you do that. And literally I want to tell you, ma'am, that I never had a drawing in last 35 years after leaving the school days. First time I have hold the pencil and colors and I draw this beautiful Madhubani art. This is my first art, and I get so much happiness after doing that. And second art is this coffee painting art, that also I
Hello everyone, I am Mr. Shambhu Bhattacharjee, father of Srijita, who is a 9 years old girl and presently is a student of senior batch in Art Geo. Basically, Srijita has a keen interest in drawing from very earlier days, and being parents, we were also looking for some sort of drawing classes where she could be admitted. But during this pandemic situation where everything was under lockdown, so it was not possible for us to make Srijita admitted to any physical coaching classes for drawing. However, in one fine morning, we came to know about this Art Geo classes, and initially we went for a 3-day trial classes, which was really good. And then we started to continue with the process, and Srijita got admitted last month only. But after having an evaluation of this 1 month period where Srijita was growing under the guidance of Leena madam, so we could notice the improvement in her work. She has become more confident, and she really has become a very good fond of the classes. The way the madam is applying like the playaway methods, where she tells some good stories to the students, where she makes the ambience where everyone gets attracted to her classes, and then only she starts really the working on the actual things. So this way Srijita has become a very good fond of the classes, and really there is an improvement that we can find. And I hope that if this continues in long run, Srijita, there will be really improvement in her field of work, and she can really excel in this field. And I hope that every one of you must be having the same sort of ideas. And I thank personally Leena madam for her valuable guidance that she is putting through, and I hope that this will help every student to improve their skills further. Thank you everybody. Thanks.
Hello, I am Sutapa Chanda. I am Shreya Shorka's mother. My daughter is learning drawing from Mrs. Leena Bandal for the past 1.5 months. She loves drawing. Initially, she used to learn drawing from a local teacher, but for this year's pandemic, she had to stop her drawing classes. Initially, I was a bit skeptical about allowing my daughter to join online classes, but then I came to know about Mrs. Leena Bandal, and I'm extremely happy that she has joined the classes. I love the way she teaches. Her classes are very interesting, and most importantly, my daughter is having a nice time.
work in supporting my daughter in drawing and creativity. With your guidance, my daughter has developed into a confident and capable child. You have amazed and inspired my daughter.
Hello Leela ma'am, it is a great experience to join your classes. It is a huge help for us and even for kids to learn something new and creative in this pandemic time. Rather than being dull, we learned these beautiful drawings and painting from you. Keep teaching us. Thank you so much.
I am Petra's mother and my daughter has joined RGO Academy for the drawing classes, which is very much impressive, and I see outperforming work with her artwork which is being taught here in RGO Academy. It's an excellent teaching method that's being covered here. Thank you.
My child has lot of improvement. I'm very happy, really happy. Thank you.
Hi, I am Shivani's mother. I'm very happy about her drawing. I am really thankful to Leena ma'am and Aishi ma'am for her strong support. Thank you so much.
My daughter's drawing they improved a lot after joining Wikipedia online classes. The method of teaching in the class is very easy and simple. So I think the Leena Madam's online classes are one of the best classes available online.
Bye-bye.
Hi everyone. I would like to thank Leena ma'am for making my daughter an artist. I'm so proud of her drawings. She joined for the junior batch in the month of May. During that time she used to take help from me, but immediately after that she is doing on her own, and I have recommended many of my friends and relatives to join the online drawing classes of Leena ma'am. Thank you so much ma'am. I'm so proud of my daughter's work. So keep going. God bless you, and we are looking forward for many drawings from your side. Thank you.
Thank you ma'am for your wonderful support. Thinking capability of drawing was improved. Now she is trying to draw independently. Thank you ma'am once again.
Hello Leena ma'am and Ayushi ma'am. I am Yanya Gupta's mother and we live in Delhi, and my daughter is in your junior batch and she is thoroughly enjoying your classes. I would like to thank you for conducting these online drawing and painting classes for kids amid this corona pandemic. These classes are a must for everyone so that they can learn new things as they are sitting at home since many months because they cannot go to their school. And it's a big thumbs up from me. I'm very happy, very satisfied. My daughter is learning so many new and creative things like painting, shading and brushing in a new way. And I believe you are a great teacher with so many years of experience, a great teaching skills and knowledge. My daughter eagerly waits for your stories with the morals, and I believe that you are a very good teacher. Thank you so much for teaching our kids as they are at home. So thank you very much. Happy New Year and Merry Christmas.
Thank you to Leena ma'am because she works so hard on children to improve their drawing skill. Before, my daughter was not at all interested in drawing and I want her to learn drawing. So I taught many people for drawing classes. They advised me to join Leena ma'am drawing classes. I took the decision to join her classes, and what I saw that I was surprised my daughter was enjoying the class and her confidence was also increased. Thank you.
Thank you for this wonderful initiative that you have taken. At the same time, my children have improved with their drawing skills, creativity. They even now know to use different kinds of colors and art forms, and they are learning to mix different forms of art and craft and come up with something very beautiful. Your stories are also very inspiring, and you share a lot of good moral values, not just art but also moral values are very important for the children, and that is one of the best part about your classes. One of the reason I chose your class is because of the cost. The cost is also very reasonable and affordable, especially in the times like this. You have given a lot of offers and discounts which would have definitely benefited a lot of parents to continue the class. Thank you for that, ma'am. It's a great initiative by you to start something like this, online classes, especially during the pandemic coronavirus lockdown. Your classes have been a great hope, because we cannot take children out and with no school and no play outside. Your classes have kept them engaged and ensuring that their learning and creativity didn't stop.
Hello everyone, I am a parent of Kayana Arora. I am very happy for the teaching of Leena ma'am. Today in this video, I want to thank Leena ma'am for her guidance at every step in art and craft activities. Thank you everyone. Bye. See you.
See you. Bye bye.
Hello everyone, my name is Bijal Dalal and I am mother of Jia Dalal. One day I was just searching online like something randomly, and on Facebook I saw an ad of Miss Bundle, the classes which my daughter is doing right now. I really liked the presentation was done by her, so I called them and I signed up her for 2 demo classes. Then my daughter also loved it, she got interested in it, so then we decided to do for a month. She did for 1 month. She enjoyed more because the style of teaching is really good. Like ma'am mixes up all the color contents at one painting, and it comes out with very beautiful painting, beautiful art, and I really like that concept. And the main thing is my daughter is enjoying this drawing class. I really liked it. I'm looking forward her to learn some more about like doodling art or mandala art or whatever the new art form, whatever is good for their age group. I would like her to learn those with ma'am. Thank you very much.
Students are getting a general knowledge from your stories. The way you are teaching is very superb. The child is easily understand color, pattern and texture.
Yes. Ma'am, you are the guru of art. मेरे पास कोई वर्ड्स नहीं है आपके लिए बोलने के लिए. My son always very good in art and craft, but Leena ma'am, your way of teaching, your attention towards students is superb, and you are very very best. And the most amazing part, that is your stories. Your way of teaching is very very simple, and that is easily understandable by the students. Thank you Leena ma'am, thank you so much, we love you. And you are especially cooking which you teach to students, dahi bhala, that was very yummy. My son learned so many things from you. Thank you so much ma'am, love you.
Son joined in artgeo.com in the month of November. For Diwali they have conducted 2 demo classes. He attended those demo classes and he liked, even I liked the way they are teaching, and we joined my kid for the 6 months course, as there was an offer for 6 months. They reduced the fee also. It was very very reasonable, and they are conducting so many workshops for January 1st and Christmas and other festivals also. So please join your kids and make your kids more creative and enhance their skills. Thank you. A big thank you to artgeo.com.
Hi friends, after learning the drawing in artgeo.com, I improved my skills in drawing. The drawing was fun. My hobby is drawing and my teacher's name is Miss Leela Bundle. She teaches us very well and I liked artgeo.com's teaching.
Very thankful to Bandil ma'am and her team, and I wish that everyone who is there of his age, they should enroll themselves in such type of classes. Thank you to Bandil ma'am and her team. Thank you.
Thank you.